How to insert PDF file into your Word. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily insert your PDF file inside of your Word, Microsoft Word. So first thing, simply open up your Microsoft Word application inside your PC. So let me just select blank document for now, and to insert your PDF file, what you need to do is, so once you're inside here, you just have to head over to insert button over here, and once you click on it, just head over to this section of your screen where it says object. So simply click on it. So what it basically does is it will allow you to insert a PDF file inside here. So just click on this create from file and just click on this browse to locate your file. So once you locate your file, just click on insert, and if you want your PDF to display as an icon, you can also check this button. So I will just leave it for now and click on OK and wait for some time. And as you can see, you have successfully inserted your PDF file into the Word. Now you can simply adjust it just like this. You can move it. You can also open the PDF file just like this. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.